तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
गौरी गणेश विनायका 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 शुक्लांबरधर नाथ गजानन शुक्लांबरधर नाथ गजानन श्री गणनाथ विनायका श्री गणनाथ विनायका श्री गणनाथ विनायका श्री गणनाथ विनायका गजवदना जय गणपति वंदना गजवदना जय गणपति वंदना मंगलमूर्ति गजानना मंगलमूर्ति गजानना
दया करो हे दयानिधे हे भगवान। दया करो हे दयानिधे हे तन मन धन सब चरण तुम्हारे। 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 दया करो हे दयानिधे हे भगवान। आदि अनंता हरि अविनाशी। आदि अनंता हरि अविनाशी। सदा निरंतर घट घट वासी। सदा निरंतर घट घट वासी। दीन दयाला सदा कृपाला। दीन दयाला सदा कृपाला। दीन दयाला सदा कृपाला। दीन दयाला सदा कृपाला। दया करो हे दयानिधे हे भगवान। तन मन धन सब चरण तुम्हारे। तन मन धन सब चरण तुम्हारे। दया करो हे दयानिधे हे भगवान। दया करो हे दयानिधे हे भगवान। आदि अनंता हरि अविनाशी। सदा निरंतर घट घट वासी। दीन दयाला सदा कृपाला। 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 दया करो हे दयानिधे हे भगवान। गोकुलनन्दन गोविन्द गोकुलनन्दन गोविन्द घन घन नीला गोविन्द घन घन नीला गोविन्द बालमुकुन्द गोविन्द बालमुकुन्द गोविन्द हे घनश्यामा गोविन्द हे घनश्यामा गोविन्द गोकुलनन्दन गोविन्द गोकुलनन्दन गोविन्द गोविन्द जय गोविन्द गोकुलनन्दन गोविन्द घन घन नीला गोविन्द बालमुकुन्द गोविन्द हे घनश्यामा गोविन्द गोकुलनन्दन गोविन्द गोकुलनन्दन गोविन्द गोविन्द जय गोविन्द
जानकी जीवन राम रघुवीर जानकी जीवन राम रघुवीर जानकी जीवन राम रघुवीर जानकी जीवन राम रघुवीर जय भुवनेश्वर राघव सुंदर जय भुवनेश्वर राघव सुंदर जय भुवनेश्वर राघव सुंदर जय भुवनेश्वर राघव सुंदर जानकी जीवन राम रघुवीर जानकी जीवन राम रघुवीर रविकुल मंडल सुर निखंडन रविकुल मंडल असुर निखंडन अलख निरंजन राम साई अलख निरंजन राम जय भुवनेश्वर राघव सुंदर जय भुवनेश्वर सुंदर जानकी जीवन राम रघुवीर
श्री करी कृपा करी क्षेमं करी साईश्वरी
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 शंकरी अभयंकरी शुभं करी साईश्वरी
करी अभयंकरी शुभं करी साईश्वरी
शंकरी अभयंकरी शुभं करी साईश्वरी श्री करी कृपा करी क्षेमं करी साईश्वरी
श्री करी कृपा करी क्षेमं करी साईश्वरी
कृपा करी क्षेमं करी साईश्वरी। हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो।
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 हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर
गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर।
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर
गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर।
शिव शंकर शंभो।
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 साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर
गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर।
शिव शंकर शंभो।
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 साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर
गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर।
हे गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर
गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर।
शिव शंकर शंभो।
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 साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
साई शिव शंकर शंभो।
हे शिव शंकर नमामि शंकर शिव शंकर शंभो। जय साई गुरुदेवा साई गुरुदेवा।
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 गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं जय 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 साई गुरुदेवा।
जय साई गुरुदेवा साई गुरुदेवा।
जय साई गुरुदेवा साई गुरुदेवा।
तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा।
तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो साई
साई गुरुदेवा।
तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा।
सत्य स्वरूपा राह दिखाओ 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 साई गुरुदेवा।
गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय 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 साई गुरुदेवा।
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा।
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा।
गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय साई गुरुदेवा।
गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय साई गुरुदेवा।
तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा।
तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा।
सत्य स्वरूपा राह दिखाओ साई गुरुदेवा।
सत्य स्वरूपा राह दिखाओ साई गुरुदेवा।
गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय 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 साई गुरुदेवा।
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा। श्री वेंकटेशा साईश्वरा,
श्री वेंकटेशा साईश्वरा।
श्री वेंकटेशा साईश्वरा।
श्री वेंकटेशा साईश्वरा।
तिरुमलै वासा साईश्वरा।
तिरुमलै वासा साईश्वरा।
तिरुमलै वासा साईश्वरा।
तिरुमलै वासा साईश्वरा।
साईश्वरा सत्य साईश्वरा।
साईश्वरा सत्य साईश्वरा।
साईश्वरा सत्य साईश्वरा।
साईश्वरा सत्य साईश्वरा।
बालाजी गोविंद साईश्वरा।
बालाजी गोविंद साईश्वरा।
बालाजी गोविंद साईश्वरा।
बालाजी गोविंद साईश्वरा।
अखिलांडनाथा आनंद रूपा।
अखिलांडनाथा आनंद रूपा।
अखिलांडनाथा आनंद रूपा।
अखिलांडनाथा आनंद रूपा।
वेंकटेशा साई वेंकटेशा।
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 बालाजी गोविंद साईश्वरा।
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 श्री వెంకటేశ సాయీశ్వర
శ్రీ వెంకటేశ సాయీశ్వర
తిరుమలై వాస సాయీశ్వర
తిరుమలై వాస సాయీశ్వర
సాయీశ్వర సత్య సాయీశ్వర
సాయీశ్వర సత్య సాయీశ్వర
బాలాజీ గోవింద సాయీశ్వర
బాలాజీ గోవింద సాయీశ్వర
బాలాజీ గోవింద సాయీశ్వర
బాలాజీ గోవింద సాయీశ్వర
అఖిలాండనాథ ఆనంద రూప
అఖిలాండనాథ ఆనంద రూప
వెంకటేశ సాయి వెంకటేశ
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 బాలాజీ గోవింద సాయీశ్వర
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 శ్రీ వెంకటేశ సాయీశ్వర తిరుమలై వాస సాయీశ్వర
If you decide today, right now, you can choose to be happy. The Vedas inform us that happiness really doesn't depend on your wealth. It is a function of the thoughts that you harbor in your mind. So for us, happiness is a destination where we wish to reach, hoping that when we get there, happiness will all be ours. And supposing you are disappointed, this mind of ours determines the state of our happiness. We keep on acquiring possessions in the hope that one day they will give us that elusive thing called happiness. And yet, running, we find that happiness also keeps running away from us. There was once a king who was walking on the terrace of his palace. And there, he was pondering over the miseries in his life. There had been a friction with the queen, disobedience from the prince, rebellion from some of sections of his army. He was pondering over these when he heard sounds of myth and laughter. They were coming from a hut by the side of his palace. The poor family residing in the hut was having a gala time amongst themselves. That made the king philosophic. How come I, the king of the land, am unhappy, and this poor family is experiencing joy and bliss? He called his minister and said, "Mantri, what is the secret of this family's happiness?" The minister said, "O king, you wish to be informed of such a precious gem of wisdom? It's not going to happen free. It will cost you 99 gold coins." The king said, "It's a small price to pay to understand the secret of happiness." He instructed his servants to arrange for the gold coins. The minister tied them up in a cloth. It was night time. He threw the cloth in front of that poor family's hut. So when the family woke up in the morning, they found a bundle in front of their hut. Initially, they were suspicious. What is going on here? Is there a terrorist attack? If you see something, say something. Or is it somebody doing jadoo tona, black magic? So with great trepidation, they opened the bundle to find the sparkling yellow metal inside. That delighted their hearts. Gold! We had seen gold earlier, but that was through the window panes of jewelry shops. And today we are the proud owners of gold. When it rains, it actually pours. How much gold has God given us? They counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. They said, what kind of number is 99? Hey Bhagwan, my Lord, if you had to give us, you should have given us 100 gold coins. Now you have given us 99. How can we be happy in 99 gold coins? You see, 99 is a frustrating number. So, whenever an Indian test cricketer gets out on 99, every Indian holds their head. What happened? Why didn't he complete his century? The same was the frustration with this poor family. They said, never mind, God has given us 99 coins and there is no happiness in that. We will purchase the 100th gold coin ourselves. They formulated a saving plan. Every day, husband is going to increase the earnings, the wife is going to decrease the expenses, and in so many months, they will get the 100th coin. However, when the savings would not be met, a fight would begin at home. The husband would scold the wife, you spent too much. What was the need of putting ghee in the dal? The wife would blame the husband. You should have stood on that thela selling your fruits for 1 hour extra. Why did you come home early? Slowly, the peace at home began vanishing. 1 month later, the king was again walking on his terrace, and from the same family, sounds of quarreling were emanating. The king said, what has happened here? A complete metamorphosis. He called the minister and said, Mantri, what has happened to the peace of this family? The minister said, O king, this is called 99 ka chakkar. This is the vicious trap of 99. This family has fallen in it. That is why they have lost their peace. They are thinking what they have is not sufficient to be happy. They need the 100th gold coin, only then they will be joyful. See, they were happy earlier because they were living in the moment. But are we not all fallen in this trap of 99? You are living in the most opulent country of the world. I am sure all of you have got 2 rotis to eat and 2 sets of clothes to wear. But all day long, I don't have enough. The person who is living in the condominium thinks, unless I get a townhouse, how can I be happy? The person who is in the townhouse thinks, unless I have a bungalow, how can I be happy? The person in the bungalow thinks, unless I have 5 million in my account, how can I be happy? And the person with 5 million wants to be a billionaire, because only billionaires can go into space nowadays and be happy. And the billionaires are also unhappy. See, Jeff Bezos, he was outdone by Richard Branson who went before him. Now he's again unhappy. So for us, happiness is a destination where we wish to reach, hoping that when we get there, happiness will all be ours. And supposing you are disappointed, the whole life is a struggle to get there. And as they say, Khoda pahad nikli chuhiya, it was an anticlimax in the end. There is one English Indian writer called Ruskin Bond. He said something very profound. He says, there are only two disappointments in life. One, when you desire something and you don't get it. And second, when you desire something and get it, it's still disappointing. So, the Vedas inform us that, look, happiness really doesn't depend on your wealth. You could be like Howard Hughes and be unhappy. You could be like Sindhu Tai and be completely fulfilled. It is a function of the thoughts that you harbor in your mind. If you decide today, right now, you can choose to be happy. Now you may say, Swamiji, I have got so many problems. You're saying I choose to be happy. How will I choose to be happy? Supposing I give you 500 reasons to be happy. Then 500 reasons? Yeah. Let me share with you an incident that happened with me 30 years ago. I was giving a lecture series in a small town, overgrown village in the state of Orissa called Aska. So it was my habit even then to go for a morning walk. I used to go just by myself. In the morning, while everybody was sleeping, I ventured forth. By the side of the town was a river and there was a bridge over it. The main road went over. So as I was walking towards the bridge, I saw somebody get up on the ledge. This poor guy had tattered clothes. He was a tramp. And standing on the ledge, he was eyeing the river bed, which was about 60 feet below. It was obvious he was contemplating suicide. I was about to witness a suicide attempt. And I didn't know what to do because I was still 30 yards away from him. I was not like a fast runner or anything. So I did the next best thing. I screamed, "Stop!" Now he got startled and hesitated. It is said when suiciders hesitate, then they change their mind. He jumped off, and by that time I reached him and held his arm. I said, "Bhai, tum kya kar rahe the? What were you trying?" He said, "Babaji, I wanted to finish my life." Why? God has not given me anything. I have only got misery and suffering. I said, supposing I arrange for something in your life, then will you give up the idea of suicide? He said, yes. I said, all right. Supposing I arrange for 10 lakh rupees, 1 million rupees. Will you be happy? Of course. I said, but you will have to give me something in return. What will I have to give you? I said, your 2 eyes. You will donate them and I will arrange for 10 lakhs for you. He said, no, I don't want to give my eyes. I said, you are rejecting 10 lakhs for the sake of the eyes. It only goes to prove that your eyes are more valuable than 10 lakh rupees. You were saying God has given you nothing. He has given you these eyes. All right. Will you settle for 8.5 lakhs? All right. In that case, you will have to give me your 2 feet. He was not willing. I just started putting a price on his bodily parts and I said, you got 50 lakh right here. You were saying that you don't have anything. Well, you have it all here. So think about it. We all have got deficiencies and lack in our life. But at the same time, we also have so many blessings. All we need to do is to pay attention to them. Is there anybody out here who is blind? No. We all have received these eyes, both fitted with 125 million photoreceptors. 125 million, with the help of which you can make out the distinction between HD TV and SD TV. With the help of which you can enjoy the beauty of the setting sun, its crimson sky, the glory of the eagle in flight, the splendor of the 7 colors of the rainbow. Is it not a reason to be happy? Is anyone out here deaf? I doubt it, because if you were deaf, why would you come to this lecture series? So, these ears each are fitted with 24,000 tubes, with the help of which we can hear sound from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. We can enjoy the mirth of children and laughter, the rustling of the leaves in the wind, the breaking of the waves on the rocks in the ocean side. Count it as another blessing of the Lord. Is anyone out here dumb? I doubt it. We have a tongue and a vocal box, with the help of which you can create words to console others, to cheer others, to uplift others, to enlighten others, to express your love and your devotion. Count it as yet another blessing of the Lord. I am just telling you how many reasons we have to be happy. This musculoskeletal system of ours works at the beck and command of our brain. It is fitted with 205 bones and 630 muscles. The brain itself has 100 billion neurons that create amongst themselves trillions of circuits. The heart within pumps at the rate of 100,000 times every day, which means 36 million times in a year. Our body is fitted with 5 million pain sensors that immediately inform you something is wrong, take care. 500,000 touch sensors that let you know that the Texas tiger ant is crawling up your leg. And 200,000 temperature sensors. Count the immense blessings of God. So where is it that we falter? The inner machinery called the mind. This mind, if we can learn to handle it well, we can always bring happy thoughts to ourselves. And when you have happy thoughts, you are a happy person.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrashaka Bhakta Jana Samrashaka Bhakti Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashi Bhagana Shri Kara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातापिता गुरुदैवं पर्यन्तयो नीवे स्वामी पर्यन्तयो नीवे ज्ञान ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ ज्ञान ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की